How to start keto. Preparing for success with the keto diet. You've probably heard how successful the keto diet is. And you are keen to try it. But just where exactly do you start? Keep watching and I'll reveal some great tips. Please watch the video until the end to get your free keto guide and delicious recipes. Please like and subscribe. And add a comment about your keto tips, fears or problems. Okay. Let's prepare for success. The first thing you should realize is that the keto diet is a bit different from the usual calorie-restricted diet, where you just eat less food than normal. Because the keto diet is a fat-based diet. There are a few principles that you need to follow in order to reach ketosis. So, there will be a few things that you need to take note of before starting this diet. Let's take a look at what they are. Choose the right time. Prepare yourself by understanding that the first 4 to 7 days of a keto diet are said to be the most difficult. This is because your body is adapting. You'll probably have food cravings, sleeping problems, etc. You may even experience flu-like symptoms. This is known as the keto flu, and is nothing to worry about. It's simply a process where the body is detoxing, and switching from burning glucose for fuel, to burning ketones for fuel. This transition process can leave you feeling lethargic and irritable. Ideally, you want to begin the diet at a time when you're away from work, or other important events that require your presence. Taking 2 days off from work, just before the weekend, will give you about 4 days to rest while on the keto diet. Remember, most people reach ketosis within 4 to 5 days, and you'll feel much better after that. Understand the principles. Study the basic principles of the keto diet well. You'll be able to decide how many calories you need from fat and protein. Knowing the basics of the diet will allow you more flexibility when it comes to making it suit your lifestyle. You'll know which foods to eat, when to consume more calories, which carbs are better, and so on. Knowledge really is power here. So, do your research and make sure you know what to expect. Have some recipes on hand. One of the most difficult aspects of diets, such as keto, is compliance. To comply and eat meals that are strictly keto, will be an uphill struggle since most of us have been raised on a diet rich in carbs. Trying to eat when away from home will be difficult too, because commercially sold food is usually high in carbohydrates and other processed ingredients. The best way to be compliant is to cook your own meals whenever possible. To do that, it's best to get a few keto cookbooks with recipes that you can follow. This will allow you to quickly make tasty meals, and stick to the diet without too much struggle. Practice cooking some keto meals. Just buying a few recipe books alone will not suffice. You'll need to practice cooking these dishes. Ideally, you want to hone your cooking skills even before you embark on the diet. Spend a few weeks cooking keto meals and just getting used to the taste of the food, and so on. This will make it easier for you when you start the diet. Once you've acquired the taste for the keto meals, they'll not come as a shock to your taste buds when you do start. Have a try at intermittent fasting. The keto diet is most effective when combined with intermittent fasting. It will take about 2 to 3 weeks to get used to intermittent fasting, but it will be worth it. To sum things up, do make sure you prepare yourself well before going on a keto diet. And to be on the safe side, don't forget to speak to your doctor about it before starting. Follow the basic principles and enjoy your meals. You'll soon experience the tons of health benefits once you embrace the keto lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Click link in description to get your free keto guide and delicious recipes.